Show them why I'm here today, Kevin. So I actually don't drink, but I've heard of people doing this with beer bottles. So either Kevin has some superpowers, or there's some crazy physics going on there that we're gonna try and figure out today.
So neither of us really knows what causes these bottles to break, and there's a lot of conflicting evidence out there, but we have some of our own ideas.
So as firm believers in the scientific method, we are going to science our way to the right answer through a bunch of experiments. Ready? Bottles, it should break right there.
No? Yes!
You punk. Yeah, so you're definitely right.
Yeah.
It ruptured when the water was coming back, right?
Cracks right after it hits the bottom.
So Kevin was right. In fact, it turns out that water cavity collapses 10 times faster than it formed, which creates a force higher than the initial hit on the bottle, which is why it doesn't break right away. So now that you know the science, if you want to impress your friends with this trick, here are a couple important tips. Number 1, hit the bottle and not your hand. You want to make as much energy from your strike go into moving the bottle and not just being reacted by your hand. You can even get the neck of the bottle a little wet and then let it slip a bit when you hit it just to make sure it's moving. Number 2, like we discovered, use water or something non-carbonated. Otherwise the carbonation just fills in that vacuum and cushions the rebound force. Number 3, a liquid with a high vapor pressure is good. If you use a liquid with a high vapor pressure, that means the vacuum you need at the bottom of the bottle will form much easier. So hot water is a lot better than cold water because the vapor pressure is higher. Nail polish remover also works well for the same reason. Number 4, be safe. This is glass, and glass can cut you if you're not careful where it lands. Number 5, don't chicken out. It hurts way more if you don't follow through. Plus, you look like this.
Oh, I heard it. Did it hurt?
So I want to say thanks to Audible. I enjoyed recently listening to a book called Ready Player One. It's set in a dystopian future where people's main escape from the bleak world is to log into a virtual reality world called the Oasis. It was created by the richest man on earth, but before he died, he hid an Easter egg in the Oasis, and he promised his entire fortune to the person who could find it. But he warned to be successful, you would need to know a lot about 80s pop culture and video games. The story is really creative and intense, and in fact, Steven Spielberg is currently directing the film adaptation. So if you want to listen to Ready Player One, or any book, for free, all you have to do is use the link in the description or go to audible.com/markrober. Thanks for watching.